Matteo asked me how to solve level 41 in Rubik's Gridlock. Really easy. We have our puzzle card. On the grid are the white elements as shown on the puzzle card. And now how to solve it. If we take a closer look, here we know we needed one of these. Maybe this one or this one. These two together does not work. One is too long or one is not too short. Okay. Next, we can look in this corner. This corner will be perfect for the yellow piece. If I place the yellow piece here, I need some things to go here. This will be not working because I need a piece, maybe this one, I'm going to place this one, and here I need one. I can place one, but like you can see, I don't have any more piece to go there. So this will be not good. If I place this piece, I need a one. Okay, this one can work, and here, in that case, I have to place this piece here. Now, how to solve here? Whatever piece I'm going to place here, this one or this one, you'll see here we have a problem. No, this is not working. Okay. Donc the yellow piece here is not working. If I take the orange piece, I need a green one. Okay, I'm going to place this one, can be maybe this one. And now I have to look here. Here, I don't have any more an orange piece, so I need maybe this. This will work. I need one here. This will be not working, so I can switch the piece, plus this one. Will be good, but here, like you can see, I have again the problem. So that is not the solutions. I have to think differently. Okay. What can I place here? I can have this blue piece. If I place the blue piece, I need a green one. Let's see. If I place this one, I have the same problem. Whenever I place here, I will be needed a piece. No, that one is not good. No, this one can maybe working. I need something here. If I place the orange piece, I need something to go here. This one. If I place that, I have again a problem here. No, that is not correct. I need something else. Let's see. If I place the green piece like that, I can have my blue piece. In that case, that will be working. No. With the other piece left. Here, if I place the orange piece, I can place a piece on the side. But here, let's see. This one like that will be not working. So I need to place the piece this way. Here I can have the red and the yellow work here. And that's the way to solve puzzle 41. If you're still struggling with the one puzzle, let me know in the comment and I will be glad to show the solutions for you.